Chicago Police Department was out in force protecting Tesla Cybertrucks. 9 police officers were seen protecting one Tesla Cybertruck parked next to the Tesla showroom. There have been at least 10 acts of vandalism against Cybertrucks, dealerships or charging stations in recent weeks, according to police and local reports, underscoring the backlash Musk has faced since taking on an unprecedented role in the federal government. The truck doesn't belong to Elon. Someone bought it and criminals are targeting someone's property that isn't involved. Thousands of people gathered for the demonstration, and if there was intelligence gathered that there was going to be, then yes, the cops would go there beforehand on their own. Unfortunately, the cops needs to protect people's property from unnecessary vandalism from crazy people.